Oh, hello. I'm Jay Krishnan. Hello. And I made this ICE train ECA. And this is the Regional Express RE. This is the fastest train in the world. Not in the world, in Germany, actually.
How much fast it will go in Germany? What's the speed?
300 kilometers per hour.
Okay. And what is this train? This train is Regional Express?
Yeah, this is the Regional Express.
Okay,
And this is the compartment of this Regional Express. I didn't fix it really.
Okay. You can just keep that on the track. Okay.
And this is the railway station, platform number 4.
Okay.
And this is the stopper of the train.
Okay.
Train track.
Okay.
And this is the divider, track divider.
Okay.
And
Can you just tell me how it actually turns?
yeah, this is like this.
Okay.
And when you move it back, you have to do like the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you explain me how you have done all this? Is it are you using the cardboard? Or
Yeah.
okay.
This is the inside this. This is I made this with cardboard and white sheet paper and red paint.
Okay.
And this is the manual of this.
Okay, show me the manual.
Tracks. Yeah.
Okay, that's
just can you wait a moment?
Okay. That's I think is pretty much clear. I think the manual is pretty much clear. And could you tell me what and all the how you attach? Did you use the gums or did you use the?
I used the glue gun.
Glue gun, okay, and a gum stick.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the track numbers.
Okay. So these are some of the parts that you made.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it looks okay. Then thank you for your presentation.
Yeah. And I got one thing to tell you.
Yeah.
And this is the track numbers.
Okay.
And this is the third one.
Okay.
And this is the last one.
Okay.
And this should be number changed because this is
joining
yeah,
the track. Okay.
Another joining track.
Okay.
That's why I changed the number. I written the number 8.
Oh, okay. This seems to be very cute rail station. Yeah. Okay. So which standard you are studying?
I'm second standard.
You are studying in which school of the German? Grundschule?
Michael Poschke Erlangen.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Jackishan. Thank you very much for your presentation. Thank you very much. So that's an ICE, and that's a Regional Express, and this is a Hallstatt, that is a railway station. And these are some of the tracks that he made to show your presentation. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.